If you're trying to recover your Instagram account, a lot of people suggest using a tool called InstaHax0r. What's up everybody, welcome to the Freetrepreneur channel. In today's video, I'm going to review a tool that I've not used yet or reviewed yet called InstaHax0r. And about Instagram account, recovering a hacked Instagram account, I have already covered 3 videos on the topic. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is about 4 videos actually. And consistently I see in the comment section of my videos people posting spammy comments, because if you look, for example, at this video, the most popular video that I made on how to recover a hacked Instagram account, there are about 6,000 or 7,000 comments, but then a lot of them are spam comments. Now consistently, and even if you go in the back end of my channel, if I go on likely spam comments that I have not approved, this is about 5,000 comments, and consistently people say that my video is fake and that people should use InstaHax0r. Now I am going to try to open InstaHax0r right on my phone right here and on my desktop, but I suggest you not to open that before I give you my final recommendation. That's why I want you to watch this video until the end. And before I really start going for the review, please smash the like button and subscribe to really help this video being boosted by the YouTube algorithm. Look at the comment section consistently that I get on my videos. I suppose many people know that InstaHax0r is the only working Instagram hacking tool. After trying to use so many fake tools, I have found a program that works. It's called InstaHax0r blah blah blah. If you go under the video as well, the comments that people were posting is like, I hacked it using InstaHax0r. Among this much spam on YouTube, normal people have a difficult time locating Instagram hacking tools that work like InstaHax0r. So there are so many tools out here, or so many people that claim to really recover your Instagram account, but only Instagram can recover your Instagram account, and I have already made multiple videos on that. This video is if you are inside the United States, and then this one is if you are outside the United States. I'll put the links down below. Now let's go ahead and try to open InstaHax0r to see if it really works in terms of unhacking a hacked Instagram account or recovering a hacked Instagram account. I recovered my Instagram page that had, when it was hacked, when I had about 143,000 followers, and now it's 167, and I put together a very thorough guide on how you can actually recover it, and I'll also put the link of it down below, so make sure you click on that. I show you all the steps, and I also show you all the testimonial, all the DM, all the testimonial that I get from people. So make sure you check that guide and you follow the step that I show you, because people have recovered their account. Now let's go ahead and try InstaHax0r. I'm actually scared to open that website because a lot of websites like that. Let me just go ahead and try to open it. Again, do not open that website. Let me open that first. So I'm scared, but here's what I did first. I don't want my phone to be hacked, so what I did is that I first went into the settings on my phone, and then I went into the users and account, and I signed in as a guest. Okay, so now I'm signed in as a guest. So you don't actually have in this guest mode, you actually don't have all the apps that I have in the normal account. So the bank accounts, the Facebook. If you don't even go for it, but if you go for it, sign in as a guest on your phone, and then from here I just search InstaHax0r on Google. Do not open it. Let me first do it, and then you can decide whether you want to open it or not. I'm going to try to open one of my to hack one of my Instagram accounts, because I have multiple. Even if they end up like taking this one, I don't really mind. But then read what he says. It says start hacking right here, but then it says InstaHax0r is a hacking Instagram password hack tool that can help you hack other people's Instagram account, and that can also help you recover your Instagram account. Now, is it true? Let's go ahead, let's keep reading. It says that it uses a complex software combining multiple components and blah 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 blah. Now, what I like about this is that here is what it says. It says at the moment InstaHax0r has a 93% success rate, and the average hack each account is 109 seconds. Now it says this: more than 95% of Instagram accounts have terrible password, and those are the password that our Instagram password cracker can crack. There obviously are accounts that have good password and security, and that cannot be hacked. For example, read this: Instagram accounts with two-factor authentication render our intrusion attempt useless. So if you don't want your account to be hacked, understand this: if you don't want your account to be hacked by those hackers out there in general, you need to turn on the two-factor authentication, and I'm going to show you again how to do that. It's very easy. Luckily, most people don't follow any security advice given to them by this network, and therefore are vulnerable to all kind of hacking attacks. Enter an Instagram username. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to enter a username. Again, I switched the phone, so even if this phone gets hacked or whatever happens to this phone, I'm not going to cry, because it's not that important. But I'm going to try to enter one of my Instagram account that only has about 135 followers. I hope it's not going to hack my phone. Again, do not try this. Let me finish and I'll tell you exactly what you need to do. I will not recommend it. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Do not go and try this on someone else's Instagram account. Now, let's see what it's going to be like at the end. Okay, it now says that the account was hacked successfully. Now I am still logged in that account from my other phone. Click here to get the password. You see now what it says, it's trying to make you install stuff on your phone. You see, it did not do anything. That's a waste of your time. A waste of your time. Usually there are affiliate links that probably they will get some commission if you install those apps through their links, or they probably already installed something on your phone that you're not aware of, and then they will start hacking your stuff. So do not open this app. How do you turn on the two-factor authentication? As you read, they even said Instagram account with two-factor authentication render our intrusion attempts useless. So please turn on the two-factor authentication. How do you do that? Two-factor authentication is simple. As you can see, if I refresh this, they have not hacked my account, because even on this account I have not turned on the two-factor authentication, but still the account is still there, it's active. To turn on the two-factor authentication, you just come up here, right up here on this corner, and you go on settings and you click on security, two-factor authentication, and you click on get started. You turn that on, or you can use a text message. A text message meaning every time you will try to log in on your Instagram account from a new device, a text message will be sent to you. You will need to enter those digits, and then you will click on next. This kind of security is really powerful. It prevents your account from being hacked in the future. So to open it, I will first open a private window in Google Chrome. Search on Google InstaHax0r. Okay, it says instahaxor.com. Anonymous Instagram account password hack tool. Hack Instagram account with ease. Okay, let's go ahead and click on that. If I open that, okay, Okay, it says the site cannot be reached because it was infected by URL blacklist. Okay, see, my browser antivirus sort of blocked that, and so it was blocked. It cannot even open. I want you to be really aware of this kind of website, because the moment you open this kind of website and you put any information about your Instagram account, not only that Instagram account is going to be hacked, and then they're going to blackmail you. If you try to do that from your phone, promise you they are probably going to hack not only everything on your phone, but they're going to hack your bank account, they're going to hack your Facebook, your Twitter, all your other social media, just from you opening the website and allowing them to have access to your phone. So I would not recommend you to go and type and search for InstaHax0r or to go and try to open it. And so that was it for today. Please be safe out there with your Instagram account. Turn on, if you still have access to your Instagram account, turn on the two-factor authentication to really improve security on your account. If you're trying to recover your account, I want you to go and watch this thorough guide. I'll put the link in the description. If you have a question, if you have a concern, you can just log in another account, DM me on Lions Royal, which is the main account that I use, and I'm going to try to reply to you, or email me at freetrepreneur@gmail.com. A lot of people are DMing me. For example, this person DM me that the account of his or her friend got hacked and is asking for help, and I give my best at explaining how things work. Take care of yourself, make sure you're safe out there, follow this guide, recover your account, and until next time, take good care of yourself. Peace.
And don't forget to smash like and subscribe. Thank you.